Here is a quick question. Could the TG of Umkhonto have been dismissed because he hired an independent auditing to check? Remember during that press briefing where he was saying ukuthi uFloyd nguye olahle 28 million, so he hired independent auditing firm for them to check ukuthi where did the money go. And I'm going to tell you what Umkhonto is. Let me first play you that clip and you listen to him. Then I'm going to tell you in his dismissal letter, it's mentioned the Pauguti, it's not allowed what he did. He exposed the finances of Umkhonto to an outside, to an independent, like people that are outside the party, which is wrong, which it should be protected. Haibo. Because he said that during a press briefing, no one said anything. Let's play this clip. Let me remind you, and then I'm going to read. Why would they only fire him now for that?
The former SG wanted to say he left us with a debt of 28 million. That's the mistake he made. From where we are sitting, comrades and colleagues, in terms of finance, we appointed Nduma Consulting Company that is qualified chartered accountants and auditors so that we can have an independent view in terms of our finance before an AG comes in. That was done. Indeed, we do have some findings at any other auditing. Remember, the purpose of auditing is for continuous improvement so that we can have proper system in place, particularly that we are the new party. We do have some findings that is more focused on our bookkeeping than really to say there's any form of corruption. And it needs to be highlighted that I did not actually to respond in such allegations. Chair was forcing me on a daily basis, saying I don't want to entertain allegations because the person that is coming with allegation.
So that's what he said, right? And then I just cropped this part because in the full, I want to get to this part. Iti apa la paragraph. Iti bana, you committed a gross violation of the auditor's professional conduct when you hired or contracted one of MKP's auditing firm's principal or staff to serve as a chief financial officer in the final quarter of 2025. This is a section issue which should not have happened. Besides, the organization's finances should not be left in the hands of consultants or outsiders without any proper safeguard. This act has compromised not only MKP but the integrity of the hired or contracted SFO himself.